Hello, today I'm at Metia Residence Section 13 Shah. I'm presenting to you a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. This unit is about 854 square feet, located on the high floor. Let's begin the tour. So moving on to this section, here's the kitchen area. It has a full height kitchen cabinet, good condition, and we've got the yard. There's a hob and hood over here, and this is where you do your laundry. Right. So over here we've got the shared bathroom. It's in a good and clean condition. And moving on to this section, it's the shared room. And the shared room's view is amazing. It is overlooking the Damansara PJ area. Open view. And we are now at the master bedroom. It comes with the aircon, fans, lights. Over here is the master bathroom. It comes with a water heater. So as you can see, the master bedroom's view is open, overlooking the central Shah. On the left is the Glen Mary, and straight is section 13, and the Aeon Mall is just on that side. And LRT Line 3 Shah station is near the Aeon Mall. So this is where you do your dining area, space for your dining area. And this is the living hall, really spacious. The unit is 854 square feet, comes with 2 car park, located on the level 18. And this unit is facing the southeast morning sun. And look at this balcony view. Open space, clear sky, beautiful view. One thing good about this unit is the lift is just right beside the unit. This unit is at the end, and there's a private personal lift towards the end of this unit. And the car park is located side by side, 2 parking at level 3. And this unit's strata title has been perfected by the owner. So this unit is in a well-kept, move-in condition. Cheers, I hope you like this property tour. Thank you.